Hey everybody, James Van Hees here, and I'm really excited to tell you that a brand new version of Sendit has just dropped. Version 7.0.2 is here, and it has a bunch of new features that I think you're going to love. First off, we have an improved center shift function. The program center shift will allow you to take a cropped image and move your eyes. Let's say you want the eyes of your image to be on the top third, or maybe the left third, or maybe just shift it to the left or shift it to the right a certain percentage. You can now do that with all of your photos. You have the opportunity now to zoom in and zoom out on your crops after they're done. You have a smart zoom feature where you can now dictate that I want you to crop the image and just leave like maybe 3%, 5% space above a head, or maybe you want to crop into a shoulder a little bit more and make sure that all your images that you process are uniform. The smart zoom feature is for you. We also have the ability to open files directly in Photoshop now after they're processed using Sendit. And my personal favorite we have here is strip all meta. No more are we going to have AI notices on our social media or tags on our posts that the AI was used or generative fill was used. This button here will create a brand new clean file for you that you can confidently give to your clients, and they're not going to have those notices. So that's it, brand new. Go check it out for yourself. Send it.